So you want to learn how to lurk the correct way. I'm going to teach you how in this video because there's a wrong way to do it and a right way to do it. Take a look. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to my channel. My name is Ryan. This channel is dedicated to helping streamers reach their full potential. Today we're going to be talking about how to properly lurk on someone's stream. Not everybody has the time to, be in someone's chat, talking, just chatting and stuff like that. So how can you support a streamer without being super active in the chat? The best way is lurking. I think lurking is underutilized in this industry of streaming. The thing about lurking is it helps boost you up in the catalog of the game that you're playing. So it's very important. Giving somebody that extra view really supports that streamer. And that's what this channel is all about, is supporting each other. We're all just trying to grow our stream, right? So, yeah, there's that. So let's get right down into how to lurk on someone's stream properly. All right, so we're in, and here's my what is this? This is my channel. Wow. So I'm a streamer as well, guys. Hey, if you haven't yet, make sure you go on and follow my Twitch. The link's gonna be down in the description. If you feel like following, that'd be fantastic. I'd really appreciate it. But I'd love to have you in the chat, and we could talk a little bit more about this lurking thing. Or you could just try the whole lurking thing on my channel. So first things first, I'm gonna find a streamer that I feel like I should support today. Today I want to support. Let's support Mr. It's Freshy. As you can see, he's streaming. He's got a couple of people, a pretty good bit of people watching him. 58 people watching him. A great streamer. I'm not going to be able to be active because guess what? I'm in here recording a video, right? So check this out.
Further to
this is what you get when you get into it, right? So it's a little loud.
Yeah, I'm gonna
you're not gonna be able to. You're not gonna be able to.
They're over here.
Be active in their chat, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go up here.
Getting angled from above.
Holy. We're gonna right click this tab up here, and go to mute site. But we're also, then this is very, very, very important. We're gonna make sure that we have volume up on it, and mute the site. That's literally the whole thing. So I'm going to go in here. I'm going to also put my name in here. Hey, what's up, dude? If I can spell it right. I'm lurking whilst recording. So there we go. Boom. Just let them know that I was lurking. And let him know that I was recording a video. So also probably gonna ask him if it's okay if I use this stuff in my video today. So in order to do multiple, I'm gonna go up here, new tab, right? Go back to my tab. I'm gonna pull up another person here. Let's pull up Rocket Arms. One of my friends, Rocket Arms. He's streaming right now, and I have no clue what this kid's doing. So. Okay, Rocket Arms. Yeah, you can always count on him to kind of provide some entertainment via socks. Hey man, let's tell him we're lurking too. Man, I'm lurking while recording. So you can see that I am on this guy's. I want to pull up another person. Let's just keep supporting, right? You guys kind of get the point. What we're going to do is I'm going to pull up one more person. I typically pull up about 3 to 4 at a time. I don't really go over that just because I feel like there has been things people said that it isn't as, it doesn't work as effectively if you have more than 3. I'm not 100% sure on that. I can't quote anybody on that. I don't quote Twitch on that, so I don't know. But I know that I keep about 3 to 4 open at all times. Hey, what's up? Lurking while recording. So I am letting them know that I am lurking while I'm recording, and so they know that they're going to be on my video here. I want to ask them as well if it's okay if they're on my video. So you can see here, we can check here and see if we're actually in there. Ms. Grills is in there. We haven't showed up yet. Sometimes it takes a minute for it to show up, honestly. I don't see our names in there yet. Oh, there I am right there. See? Boom. General Killjoy. We are in there. We're lurking. We're providing that guy a view and helping him out as much as possible. Let's check him. Oh, here we are right here. We're in Mr. Rocket Arms. There we are. General Killjoy. We're in there lurking on this guy. And we are also in unicornographies. So I got 3 people up, lurking, supporting them, and that's how we do it, guys. That's how we make this work. So lurking, it does help. It helps the streamer boost up in the catalog of the game they're playing. It's very underutilized, and I think that everybody should be using it. So another thing is that I have a Discord that we all do this same thing for every streamer that's in there. We would love for you to be a part. If you want to be a part of this community, this army, we would love to have you in. It's called General's Barracks. I'm going to have the link in the description down below. Also, I'll have my Twitch linked in the description down below. Make sure you go follow me there. And I would love to see you guys there. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if this helped you. And hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and all that good stuff that every YouTuber in the world tells you to do. Thank you, and have a nice day.